class. Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on controls here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you come here to enable gestures. Just click in this sign here. Like you see this color show for us, that's meaning gestures enabled with us now. And here can you enable one touch or full screen navigation to where here. So that's all you have to do, like you see now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.